We're going to start this section by exploring comparison operators. We use comparison operators to compare values. Here are a few examples. So 10 is greater than 3. We get true. So what we have here is a Boolean expression. Because when this expression is evaluated, we'll get a Boolean value that is true or false. Here's another example. 10 is greater than or equal to 3. Once again, we get true. We also have less than, so 10 is less than 20. We have less than or equal to. Here's the equality operator, so 10 is equal to 10. What about this expression? What do you think we're going to get? We get false. Because these values have different types and they're stored differently in the computer's memory. And finally, we have the not equal operator. So now with this expression, we should get true. Beautiful. We can also use these comparison operators with strings. Let me show you. So we can check to see if bag is greater than apple. We get true because when we sort these two words, bag comes after, so it's considered greater. Now what about this one? Bag equals capital bag. We get false. Here's the reason. Every character you see here has a numeric representation in programming. Let me show you. So we have this built-in function called ord. Don't worry about memorizing this because you're probably never going to use this in the future. But let me show you the numeric representation of the letter B. So that is 98. In contrast, capital B is represented as 66. That is the reason these two strings are not equal. So these are the comparison operators in Python. Next, we'll look at conditional statements.